Progress Test 7. Is it acceptable to report students cheating in exams? What do you think? 1,
I find it worrying that you should have any doubts at all about what to do. Anybody cheating in an exam doesn't deserve any sympathy. If you don't tell the people in charge what you've seen, then you become part of the problem. It's only because other students accept it, or even think it's cool, that some students cheat. If I ever saw what you have described, I'd see it as my duty to just put up my hand, wait for a teacher to come over and tell her about the cheating straight away. The sooner this is stopped, the better.
2,
Part of me thinks that anyone who cheats in exams deserves to be caught. They think what they're doing isn't hurting anyone, but that isn't true. They're getting better marks than they should, and that has a negative effect on other students, on their school, and on themselves. What if a cheating student got a place at university which could have gone to you? And what if your school's good reputation was lost because the media discovered that students there had been cheating? My only concern is whether I would actually tell a teacher if I saw a cheat. I'd be worried about the consequences, I think. Not for the cheat, but for me. I might be bullied by the cheat's friends, or even my own friends might think I was a rat. Sometimes it's hard to do the right thing.
3,
I expect my school to be pretty strict about cheating. They should warn students not to do it, and, if they catch anybody, the punishment should be tough. But I don't see that it's our responsibility as students to reveal the cheats. We're not the police. These guys are our friends, and it's important to stick together, even if we don't always agree with each other's actions. Rather than telling a teacher, I'd probably have a word with anyone I saw cheating and tell them not to do it again. What if you told the head teacher that someone was cheating and it turned out they weren't? What if the school got really tough on someone you reported? I'd hate to be responsible for ruining someone's life.
4,
We have to remember that revealing a cheat is good for everybody, including the cheat. If caught, they might realise their mistake and change their ways. If allowed to get away with what they're doing, they might repeat the same mistake until one day they do get caught and with much more serious consequences. What I would say, though, is that I don't think anyone should report a cheat during an exam. It should be quiet and anonymous. Ask to speak to a teacher after the exam to explain what happened, or send an unsigned letter to describe what you saw.